I highly recommend that you take a pen out and some paper, because this is probably the most important news of your life right now. I know we're about to talk about your wedding gown, so sit down and get ready, because it's overwhelming. But it doesn't have to be. You see, I've been designing fashion, specifically wedding gowns, for a long time, and I know the right and the wrong things to do. So I want you to pay attention to not the dress yet. I want you to understand your body type. There's so many different body types, which equate to so many different silhouettes. And so often I have found girls going into boutiques asking for the wrong silhouette, wrong dress, based upon their body type. And if you know this information, you're going to make the process that much more enjoyable. So listen very carefully. There are different body types. Are you apple? Are you pear? Are you ruler? Are you hourglass? Now, once you find that out, which is based upon getting your measurements taken, knowing what your body type is, you can then find out what's the right silhouette for your body type. Now, I'm going to read the silhouettes to you, okay? There is ball gown, which of course equates to a princess dress, A-line. There's also a modified A-line. There's trumpet, there's mermaid, there's sheath, and there's T-length. I know it's a lot of different silhouettes for only a couple body types. But the reality is I have found often that many brides go into boutiques based upon what they've seen in magazines on celebrities, which is the last thing you should be doing. If you have your silhouette and your body type in place, you put the dress on, I guarantee you, you will walk out of that store feeling confident of what dress you should be wearing on the most important day of your life. Now think about a couple things. Often many girls who, by the way, we're going to say this once, who consider themselves plus size, which, by the way, worst term ever. I refer to you as more fabulous. More fabulous brides need a little bit of extra support in their dress. Now, just because you find a dress that's beautiful does not necessarily mean it's fitted well. The inside of your dress has to be fitted beautifully, which means an inside corset that allows you to have the support, which allows your shoulders to go back and have the confidence when you walk down the aisle. Now, do you want a sweetheart neckline versus off the shoulder or versus straps? Super important to know. A plunging neckline or a plunging back line is very important. These things you should walk in knowing and find out what you like when you step into multiple dresses. You will know when you are wearing the right dress. Now, one last thing to think about. Did you know that there are 200 shades of white in the industry of bridal gowns? But your skin tone is unique. So find a dress that allows your skin tone to glow. Don't allow the white to overpower who you are. Because my rule of thumb always is, the bride comes first, the dress comes second. You wear the dress doesn't wear you. So happy looking for the perfect dress, because ultimately, my goal is for you to walk down the aisle in style.